What's up, guys? As you probably saw in the thumbnail, I got these two racing carts for $200, kind of. So I got 4 carts, two with engines, 2 parts carts, and I sold the 2 parts carts for $1,300, and I got all 4 of them for $1,500. So if I bought them all for $1,500 and sold those 2 for $1,300, I got these 2 carts for $200, and they are DR Racing Sport Max. I looked them up. I think the frame themselves are like $1,500 or something like that. So that's crazy. And I got the Honda GX200s on there. So obviously they're not in like the best shape. I'm not completely sure how old they are. Did I just do the yard? There's leaves on it. But this one, I gotta change the belt. That is also, you know, so I'm working on getting this out. I took out the grub screws, the hubs and the wheels, kind of loosened everything up, and it's just not coming that well. So I'm trying to use this PV blaster and work the axle out to get the new belts on, which I got right there. And then we'll take these for a rip, kind of tune them up, see what we can do. And I'm ultimately planning on making one of these electric, so that'll be cool. Currently stuck right there. It's at the very end. I'm trying to find something that, you know, is just the right size to push that end of it out. I honestly I wasn't thinking that I was gonna be able to get this out because this was just so rusty. But I got some PV blaster, scrubbed it up, wiped it off, and we're almost there. Almost there. Oh my god. We did it. Jeez. So, that's pretty much all the space I need, because I've just got to slip these belts around it. Both of them. So, just like this one has, one belt there and then one belt here. I'm gonna do the same exact thing for that, so that there's just an extra one in case one of them strips. So, perfect. Wow, that only took like 5 hours. Yep, now it's reassembly time. All rust. Alright, let's see if it'll go in now. So I've almost got everything set up. I've got my brake back on. I gotta loosen the engine to get the belts on, but right now I'm just kind of tightening everything up, getting the keys in, getting the grub screws in, and then we will be ready to go. Got the axle fully in, everything is tightened, got the belt on. I kind of just rolled it on. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I didn't really have to loosen the engine at all. I'm going to zip tie this belt right here. I'll show you. So just like this one. just in case the belt rips, you have one if you're racing. So I went ahead and bought two to do that. And I'm gonna just work on cleaning everything up, you know, get some Windex, wipe everything down, make it look better. Yeah, we're almost ready to ride them. So much stuff. Where?
Before, right down there. This white car came, you know, he was heading right towards you. Cut out like by a car. So
oh, I don't.
Be careful, okay?
I'm sorry. I don't remember almost getting hit.
A couple minutes ago. He said it came around the corner and there was a car and you came right, you went around the car and he's turning and he didn't even see, he was heading right for you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
So he had to swerve. But be careful because you're going to get hurt, okay?
I will. Okay, thank you. I'm so sorry.
And also, I know the neighbors don't like the loud.
Yeah, I know. I'm just kind of testing it out. I just fixed it.
I'm just giving you a heads up.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Of course, if you enjoyed, consider subscribing, leaving a like, you know, the whole drill. Patreon is linked in the channel page because I fund all these projects myself if you want to support me. I think I have COVID. I don't know. I'm sick, bro. But you guys enjoy the holidays. It's Christmas Eve. I'll probably post this on Monday. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.